dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Me gusta salir y seducir. Dime lo que tú quieres de mi coqueta. Sé lo que te gusta es salir y se suelta. Cuando baila reggaetón pa' mí que muñeca. Me gusta salir y seducir. Me gusta salir y seducir.
First of all, thank you. I love you all, your family and friends. If you're here, you're here because I love you and you mean a lot. You owe no thanks to me. You owe thanks to each other because each and every one of you are very special people to each other and to our family. Second of all, I don't know what's going to happen with the fishing arrangement. We'll work all that out. Don't make anything personal. The room arrangements are already set. The one thing I'm going to tell you is that at some point we're going to meet on Wednesday night at this table or there, wherever, and everybody's going to put up $20, and the person that has the biggest fish is going to win the $20 from everybody else. You don't have an option. Last year I said, who wants to get in? And everybody's like, alligator arms. Okay? This year, every one of you cheap bastards is going to put up $20, okay?
You have a picture of the fish on
And
the scale?
what you have to have is the scale and a picture of the scale with a fish, and nobody pulling shit down or doing anything crooked. And Mike and I we have more than enough scale.
That's right.
So if you don't have a scale and you don't have enough picture,
You better come to me. I got
then
skills.
you're out of the game. Okay. All right.
I got skills.
And then the other thing is, every night we want to have a moment that if somebody wants to stand up and say something about the group or what it means to them, you have that opportunity. You're not obligated to do it. There is no demand. The spirit moves you. You can do it and do whatever you want.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
All of you folks, I love you so much,
There you
and
go.
thank you for having me as your friend along on this fishing trip. And I hope it's all good and we all catch a bunch of big fish.
I've got to say something going after Steve. It's a hard act to follow, so I've got to really be, but this is a touching moment for me today and I want to share it because Randy's right.
Yeah.
It's about love.
Yeah.
My father-in-law is 88 years old.
Yeah.
He's got dementia. He loved to fish. His older
Yeah.
brother taught him to fish. And he used to tell this story that, man, if you're going fishing, what 2 lures would you take to go bass
Great.
fishing? He said, I'd take a black and yellow rifler and I'd take a black and yellow rifle. There was this old man in Laredo that made lures. And that's what they fished with. And about 3 years ago, when he was still had his mind and stuff, he opened his tackle box and he goes, I still have a broken black and yellow rifle and I have a good one, but I don't fish with it because I'm scared I'll lose it.
Yeah.
And I said, Al, let me take that. I want to try to make it. So I spent some time and I've kind of recreated them. So today, at the end of the day, his grandson and I are in the boat and we say, let's fish with a black and yellow rifle. And my third cast, I caught about a 5 to 6 pound. So good luck out. And the black and yellow rifler be with all of y'all in your fishing tackle box for all your life. That's what it's all about. Every day.
Let me tell you what, okay? Congratulations. You get to be here with. I tell you what.
It's been great. We started topwater, and the first place was all topwater, poppers, and we were getting some really good action. Got a nice 6-pounder. A few in the 2 and 3 class, but it was good. It was good morning. Then we switched to a different spot with lizards, and we're super fluking and fluked out. Didn't really get any action over there, so now we're back to lizards on this little point, and see what we're gonna do. What do you think, Tony?
Trying to teach my worm ballet.
Are you?
I'm thinking 2-2. Oh, I thought I had something now.
Good job. Oh, now I'm like a fish screamer. Oh yeah. Hitting me right there, dude. Look at that. 1 foot off the water, off the shore rather. Drag it right in front of him, let it sit down. It's like cooking an egg, bro.
Why are you gonna go with the chef stuff?
I don't know, because you're like Mr. Caterer, dude. Try to use cooking analogies.
This is like watching an egg cook.
Look at that, dink, dink. Oh yeah, he's like, that's fake. Spits it back out. He's down there laughing his ass off going, rookie.
That's amazing. Gotta make them hop out of the water.
I got you, bro. Thank you.
Size?
That's a nice fish.
Fish on! Good? I'm trying to feel the bottom and put a ballerina on my lizard and do a bunch of stuff, and it's good. It keeps my mind on this, and I mean, the sun feels great. Oh, nope. See? I think I got it, and I know, and I don't really want to show it.
Maybe.
Getting off this time, Pepe. You're getting off this time. Oh, you got his tongue. Ouch.
Nice fish.
You can't be able to talk anymore.
Charlie, right or left side? Say it in Spanish. Derecha or izquierda? No problem, it doesn't matter.
You get him?
Yeah. Oh, dude. Maybe first year of college, because you would be around the age of what most of those guys were when that was going on. And dude, it's just like, it gives you a whole, because it's a beautiful area.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful town, beautiful countryside. I never really liked France until I went there. I'm on the tree. We're gonna have to go. All right, get me closer. This is the second time today I've done this. Check it out. You get a little.
You might want to.
I'm just gonna keep it like this.
Poor bugger.
No, he's fine. He's doing great. Look at him, ripping lips. Ripping lips. My friend Mike Davidson told me. Ripping lips, baby. Close and they're hitting high. Like most of the ones I've had today have been hitting right at the surface. Come on. We're in it. We're in it. Oh, I got this. You. Okay. This is it.
You're good at catching the same size ones.
Yeah, the last one I caught was about 2.5 pounds. That was pretty hefty.
Fuck.
This thing just. This right here, this Ned rig, this is built for numbers. This isn't built for size. Size is where the money's at, but numbers where the entertainment is. Here, we got a full size, what is it, a 5-inch Cinco, I think. Ned rigged up to a zoom, whatever it is. Something. Z-Man, a Z-Man hook, 1 6-ounce head. There's nothing about this that says it'll work. But we're gonna give her a shot. We're going full pull. You gotta give him the big stick to get the big stick. Ripping lips.
Here comes the moon, held by my love. Then the moon.
Oh yeah! Woo! The tack was on. Did you see that thing?
Yeah.
Woo! Fish on.
Up on the.
Hey, bro. I know. Woo! Damn, boy, that's top water action. Lake El Salto. Okay. Give you what? You want me to keep coming? I know he's on the stick. Yeah, I know he's free. He's free. Hold on. Woo! Oh, shit! Whoa! That was monster
That
top
was
water,
monster
baby.
talking. That was great.
Oh my God! Woo! Damn! 647, baby.
Dandy.
Look at that, man.
Nice.
Woo! 6:47 in the morning, baby. Just another tequila sunrise on Lake El Salto. Holy cow! Woo! Shit! Whoa, look at that, dude. Look at that. Look at that thing pull.
Yeah.
Holy shit, dude. Woo! Damn, boy.
Where is he? Oh, that's a nice one.
He's about the same as the other one.
Oh, that is a nice fish.
Wow, man.
Wow. All right, Randy.
I got him. Oh, you got him? Okay, all right. Got him. Damn. Take this pole. He's heavy, dude. I want to see how much this guy weighs.
That one looks like about the 5.
I think he might be.
That looks 5 to me. That's better than a 5 with eggs in it.
I can feel him, man. The scale doesn't have any point on it. Oh, shit.
There you go.
Holy crap.
That's a 6.5. We gotta take a
6'6".
picture. Yeah, we gotta take a picture of that. Congratulations.
Damn, off top water, baby.
Yeah.
Huh?
Congratulations.
Woo! Damn, dude.
Let's see here. I gotta get it going here.
Hold on, this guy.
There we go.
Am I too close?
Oh, that's good right there. Turn it the other way now. Hold it up there.
All right.
I got it.
Wow.
Hey, we got to get back out there.
Wow.
I got to get one of them.
Wow. Oh man, my day's done, buddy. I don't care if I
Okay, you don't
catch
care,
shit
yeah.
now.
Beautiful. Absolutely
Woo!
beautiful.
6'6" on a frickin' top water, dude.
And you know the thing about it is when the
Jesus.
big ones take it, they eat it.
Yeah.
They
What?
don't mess around.
Oh no, there ain't no dicking. I know. Yeah. No messing around with them, man. Look at that, man.
Very
That thing's solid. I mean, you know, it ain't freaking 5 or 6, but that thing's a good 3.5.
Yeah,
Good
that's
feeling.
a great looking fish, man.
How heavy he feels.
Yeah, he feels like a 4 to me.
Yeah.
That's a 4-pounder.
That's crazy.
That's
man.
4, at least 4. Let's weigh him.
Watch your pull.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it was pretty incredible, man. I mean, that was a different one. Normally, it's kind of a.
Yeah, no, you're
he
using
just-
a different bait.
He just freaking just like landed on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
It was crazy. Got my wires crossed here.
I don't like that.
I don't either, man.
I don't like that. I like the clamp better.
There's nothing. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, the clamp is the way to go.
There you go. He's got to be 4.
He's off. Oh. Yeah, 3.7. 3.7.
3.8.
Yeah. I mean, pretty close.
Pretty close to 4. God almighty, look how big he is. It's a 4.
I know.
I mean,
Freaking beautiful.
these fish in this lake are so healthy. It's unbelievable.
Oh, this is too much
I
fun.
enjoyed myself this morning. That was fun watching
Dude.
that. I'm telling you.
That was a hell of a morning,
That
man.
was a great morning of
I mean, you were catching the numbers on the surface.
yeah, but
I caught less, but they were a little bigger.
you've done pretty good.
But that last one on that white ice right there, I know it wasn't no 6-pounder, man, but when that thing hit, it was just a different feeling. It was like kaboom.
Well, both of those big ones, when they hit it, there was no doubt that you had them.
Yeah,
That's the
no,
deal.
there's nothing to it.
These things work good.
shit.
Holy shit!
These things work
What
good.
just happened?
That's a blue and
Holy
white,
shit.
blue and silver crankbait.
You just threw that rattle trap?
Yeah, rattle trap. I just tied it on.
Oh my dude!
Holy
shit! Carlos goes, hey, Carlos goes, rock's too big, blue doesn't work. Oh my
Woo! 6-7.
Beat me by a freaking 10.
Yeah,
That's
6-7.
good.
Nice fish.
Really nice fish.
Wow. Come on, baby. Get back in there. Come on. Let's go.
First
Let's
cast.
go. Come on, baby. Okay.
He's ready for breakfast.
I can eat now.
We got 17 people this year. Last year, I think we had 12 or 13. Got some new faces. We got Ryan's good friend Mitch. We got Randy Chadwick and his son Andrew. It's having a killer time. Really cool. Steve Bruiser brought his son Joey, you know. And who am I? Oh, a good UPS buddy named Bobby Davis is new on the list this year. Having a great time.
They're all nice people, too.
Yeah, awesome, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, very fortunate. A lot of good people that were.
There he is.
Look at that. I mean, we're sitting here
they're
chatting. I
hitting
can't
them.
even talk for a second.
Oh, man. They're hitting these things.
This is the same thing that happened to me last year. There was a period last year when every cast I was throwing, boom. Now we're back. I mean, it's like, it's been this way this morning. We try to have a conversation, boom, it's like fish on, you know. I was hot early. Mike has got this rattle trap killing it, but yeah, we got a really good group this year. We had a couple people that couldn't make it for various reasons, or else we would have been up in the 21-22 range. So my expectation, I guess what I'm thinking is, if I set the date next year, we'll probably have a good, I don't know, 20 people plus coming down. It's yeah, it's really, it's, you know, super special for me, man, you know, to see all these people, and you know, especially to see the younger guys. I got Nico Hyde and Gary Hyde. They're also their first time too, right, Mike? Nico and Gary.
I think so.
Yeah, so we got a lot of. He's got another fish. I'm not making this up. I'm not making it up.
I'm telling you, they're just, oh, he come loose. I farmed him out.
Catch and release.
Yeah.
Awesome trip, awesome time. I appreciate the invite from Randy and being allowed to tag along, show my dad how to catch some fish. Well, he showed me today. He's got way more big ones than I have.
On cue. Swing it around to Aaron. Aaron's been great. He's unhooked a lot of fish today. Double trouble. Yep.
You got two of them. You have two of them on it.
Yes. There we go. I got two fish. Oh shit, the big one's off. Oh. I never seen that.
Yeah, the big one must have attacked it. Must have gone after the little one maybe, and got hooked.
How long have you been in Alaska?
This will be my 9th year.
Wow.
Yeah. Doing it a while. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. It gets in your blood. For sure, I went up there. I knew I'd be going back. I went back for just one more year and kind of repeated itself after that. After 2 years, I knew that's where I wanted to be.
We call this the UPS boat. We're both from UPS. That's where I met Randy 30 years ago. Great friend, great to work with.
I worked with Randy for probably 6 years or so. 6 years we worked together for in the engineering department at UPS, and he had often talked about fishing and hunting and stuff, and he gave me the call a while back and said, "Hey, we're going to Mexico fishing. You want to go?" And I said, "I'm in," you know, no doubt about it. So it doesn't get any better than this. This is just epic. The conditions are fantastic.
Well, words can't express the gratitude that Randy has given us. I mean, it's first class, world class accommodations, and a great host in Randy. It's unbelievable. Lifelong friend.
She wrapped her loving arms around my neck on the dance floor at Chelsea's bar. I should have turned her away, but I was out of sync. I was firing, she was gasoline. But we were both sad and lonely.
It's been awesome. Just waking up, fishing, coming back, eating some food, taking a nap, going back out and fishing, and just catching fish after fish after fish, and spending a lot of time with my dad and Randy and the rest of the gang. It's been awesome.
Went hiking up in Colorado, and me and John Monville and Randy sitting up at the top of the mountain, kind of thinking about life, and thinking about where we're at in life, and we both kind of talked about, you know, you go through life, you have your neighborhood friends, you move into your high school friends, then ones that go off to college, you develop friends there, and then you kind of move into your corporate world. And both him and I worked hard to get where we were at, and we're able to step out and retire, and then you cross paths with each other. It's pretty incredible. Once in a lifetime to cross paths with such a great man. Just become a good friend, and just enjoy being around him just every chance we can. You know, brings tears to my eyes that, you know, I'm so blessed to have such a friend. Give us the opportunity to be out here with my son, and you know, that's what life's about. That's living. What I say is, I'm living the dream.
Should we stay together or apart? But it's hard to be alone, and the future to see. I was firing, she was gasoline. But when we got locked up in the Chester County Jail, we both knew it was too far out of hand. Staring at 5 years in the penitentiary, I was firing, she was gasoline. Good God, too much fire and too much gasoline. Well, we cleaned that mess up, we made amends the best we could, but we could not be together anymore. I can't say that I don't miss you, but we gotta let it be, 'cause I'm still fire and you're still gasoline. Yeah, I was firing, you was gasoline. I was firing, you was gasoline.
I'd just like to thank Randy for having me along on this fishing trip, because it has been incredible. I've caught more big fish than I probably have in my life in one trip. I mean, you get yourself a 8+ and a 7.2 and 8 6s and numerous 5s. That's quite a good fishing trip. So I just wanted to thank him, and also thank everyone else for the, you know, camaraderie, which I enjoy when I'm fishing, and that's basically about it. And just everybody have a great time. Keep on fishing.
Hell yeah. I'm just gonna say, same as you, congrats for having us and having a great time. And, oh, I'm getting one. I got one, so can I put you on pause?
It's a little one.
Hey, that's a good thing.
It's a little one.
Thanks, Randy. I caught one.
Yeah, you did.
Shit. A monster. 12 pounds. 13 pounds.
There's that 13-pounder.
Yeah.
No, you get 13 inches. That was it. How much for 13 inches?
Yeah.
One cerveza.
Yeah.
Oh, That's all right. Take your time, man. Take your time. I got him all right. Don't worry.
I got you.
Take your time. Still trying to spit that Cinco, ain't he?
Well, that says 4.7.
4.7.
Yeah, that's about right. That's about right. Yeah, okay.
Nice fish.
Like 5. Nice fish.
Nice.
Don't have, all right, but if you don't have the picture of the weight and the fish,
He's got the picture.
You gotta have a judge of rules.
Steve is the winner!
Hey, Grady, there's the winner of the big fish.
Who has a picture of the scale?
I know I'm not the winner.
He's got the picture of the scale and the fish.
I guess it didn't matter.
Well, I had a picture of 8.
Well, there ain't even a fish on that.
There is a fish.
Now we have a picture of the fish.
He's tugging it.
full thing. Get it out. If you don't, you lost.
Of the scale
That's
with the fish.
If you don't have a scale and you don't have the fish, you're out.
I have a scale.
Show it.
It's right there.
No, it's not. It's not a picture of the fish and the scale.
You don't got
You know what? I got a picture of mine. It's a 10. I got a 10 on my scale and a picture of a fish.
Hey.
It was clear from the get-go.
Yeah, I'm listening.
So what do you say?
What was clear?
You got to have the scale and the fish.
And so what's your weight?
8.04. Scale and fish.
8.04.
Scale and fish.
He's 8.2.
He doesn't have a picture.
We got that. And guess what? And I have 8 kilograms. 3.73. When you go online and tell me what 3.73 kilograms is,
you gotta have the fish on the scale. Mine was outside.
no, I don't have to have a fish.
It's appropriate.
He's gotta show his picture. That's all he got. What is something? He got a picture on his phone with the damn fish. He won't get it out and show it. Well, show the damn picture of the fish on the scale.
Because if you go online and Joel, right?
Oh, okay, I'll go.
3.73
I'll eat you bananas.
was 8.2. That's what.
Are we measuring in kilograms?
Well, you can measure any way you want, but 3.73 kilograms. It's on the scale. Hey, if you want to argue that it ain't on scale, kiss my ass.
There you go.
Well, it's Randy's rules.
You know what? I got screwed last year. If you guys want to play this fucking game, you. And we're going to battle on that one because that was 8.2. You don't like it? I played this game last year. You. Period. Serious. You know what I mean? Right, Grady? Hey, Grady, did I catch a lot of bass today?
Oh, yeah.
And are they good ones?
Yeah, man.
Hey! You guys are unbelievable. Fucking unbelievable. You know what I mean? Unbelievable. Hey, 3.73 kilograms. Put it on your computer and figure it out. It comes out to 8.2 ounces. He's gonna take the money and put it towards the deal. But god damn it, man. Son of a bitch. I don't get it. Right, Grady?
Don't bring me into this, man.
Grady, you're already in it.
Right, Grady? Like I know.
I gotta get the pressure off me.
Well, I got broad shoulders, brother.